Welcome back, guys. Let's go thrifting. What do we have on the electrical shelf today? A Lloyd's Boombox. Wow. Actually, this looks really nice. Just so you know, the size of... Oh, 15 bucks. Is that it? The size of this, it's like 3/4 of the size of a regular boombox. Did you see that? The speakers come off. Look. You can detach them with a little button there. It's got the handle, it's got a good looking antenna. Let's look at the back. Battery compartment, it's got mains power. It's a WW006. Yeah, the only thing I can find similar to this is in Swedish krona. And that works out at almost $40 to buy a good one that's working. You got I think that's phono in, so you can put a CD player or something, link something up to it. Yeah, it looks really cool. The cassette holder itself is a little bit wonky, but yeah, let's go and plug it in and see if it works. So what we're going to do with that cassette wonky holder thing, I don't know. We'll get the radio working first. Yeah, it's getting something. Put the antenna up. We're getting tunes. A little bit of volume. Have a listen. It's actually really clear. It's really, really clear. Really nice sound from the radio. I like the look of it. I like the grey on silver. Or the silver on grey, whichever way around you want to put it. I just don't like this door. This door's a bit wonky. A bit of dirt on the roller, on the pinch roller, can you see? So look down there on the right, the pinch roller is it's a little bit messy. Like some kind of rust or something on it. Oh. Yeah, he rolls. Oh, stop, rolls. I like the little. You've got the little LEDs on the top of the tape as well. It's good. There's not much profit in this if I bought to sell it, and I really don't like the mess the door. The door's really. How would you fix that door? I can look. Hold on. Here we go. I can lift it and pop it into place. Lift, pop into place. But you can't do that if you're selling it, obviously. Let's put some bad out of hell through it. Plug it back in. See what we get. If it makes that noise again. Lift, pop into place, and turn the volume down, because the noise it was making is, oh no, it's not good. Like, you could fix belts and stuff, but why do they make that noise? What's with the noise? Just that constant. Anyone know why they would do that? Is there an easy fix? Because I've had a few like this, and if there was an easy fix, I don't think it's anything to do with the tape. Definitely not, because it does it without the tape. No, nothing to do with Dolby or... No. Anyway, guys, drop me a comment. Why do they make this horrible noise? Anyway, till next time.